Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create gift cards in Shopify. So first step you need to do is to log in into your Shopify account, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on products, and at the bottom you can see an option of gift cards. Click on that option, and here you can see add gift card product, create gift card. So I want to create, so you simply need to click on that, and here you can see gift card code. You can select code from here and you can select your value of the gift card. So I want to add 1000. Okay, and here you can set the expiration date. So I want the expiration date to, let me select from here let me select 2029. So okay, so this is the date I set, and here you can see search or create customer. So I'm going to create a new customer. Click on save and click on send gift card now. And once you've done that, your gift card will be sent to the customer with which you want to share. So this is the process how you can create gift cards in Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.